I'm ready for my cleanup time. I just got in my Rewonder handle cordless car vacuum cleaner. Comes in a beautiful package. Comes with an extra filter. Comes with 3 speeds. Let's go, baby. All these different attachments. Wow, you can really get to the grit of it. Let's use this one. This is the old one I've had. I've had so many of these and they all just break, so. Doesn't gather anything. Now watch this one. This one has 3 levels. Watch how it works. Do you see that? It just doesn't compare. This is just way better. The battery barely lasts, and I've replaced this 3 times. Forget about it. This is the only thing I want to be using, and it's so fast to charge. I need one of these because of this dog. His filaments are everywhere. And I live by the beach, so sand is everywhere. Charge on this thing lasts so long. I'm so grateful to this technology. I barely even charged it, honestly. It's amazing. But I try cleanliness is godliness. So must have in your home. Right, bud?